Okay, today I'm going to show you how to change the oil and filter on a Citroen C4 Grand Picasso 2016. Right, so first step is remove this this massive tray. You have to take it off, unfortunately. There's no way you can get access. So it's just 10 mil bolts that you have to take out, and then you've got all the access you need. Right, so the oil filter is down here, you can see. So I just whizzed this off. It's just two 10 mil bolts here. Just whizzed this off and stuck it out of the way so you get access. But then you got the cap. I used a 25 mil socket on that, little plastic cap, and then there's the filter. There we go. Old filter, new filter, old seal, new seal, housing. Let's whack it back in. New filter in. There's a little locating little spigot with a little O-ring on it. Make sure you get that in. It locks it in position. New O-ring on. Looped it up a little bit with some new oil.